Yesterday we have completed the definition, exercise A and exercise B. Most of the students have shown their classwork, but still there are many who have not shown. So complete your work and show me your copies. Today we will do the next exercise, that is exercise D. But before that, let's revise subject and predicate. Today we will revise subject and predicate once again, and then we will do the exercise. Look at some examples. She dances. Second example, John reads the book. Third example, my mother and my aunt are trained classical dancers. So these are your three examples. Yesterday I told you what is subject and what is predicate. Let's see once again. She dances. Who dances? She. तो वो she क्या होगा आपका? Subject. We are talking about she. She कौन से एक्शन कर रहा है? एक्शन कर रही है, डांस कर रही है. तो she क्या हो जाएगा आपका? Subject. And dances क्या होगा? Predicate. Understood? She subject and dances. What is dances? Dances is your predicate. John reads the book. Who is reading the book here? John. We are talking about John, and what action John is doing? He is reading the book. John reads the book. John is your subject and reads the book is your predicate. My mother and my aunt are trained classical dancers. किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? My mother and my aunt. We are talking about my mother and my aunt. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Subject. Our trained classical dancer is your predicate. Understood? जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है, that is your subject. और वो जो भी एक्शन कर रहा है, that is your predicate. She dances. Here we are talking about she. And what action she is doing? She is dances. She dances. Dances is your predicate. John reads the book. Who is reading? John. John is your subject. Reads the book is the action. John कर रहा है ये action. So this is your predicate. My mother and my aunt. We are talking about my mother and my aunt. These both are the subjects. My mother and my aunt दोनों subject हैं. उनके बारे में हम कुछ बात कर रहे हैं. Are trained classical dancers. So they are your predicate. Understood? देखो, sentence has two parts. Subject. Subject क्या होता है? Tell who or what the sentence is about. किस चीज़ के बारे में सेंटेंस है, किसके बारे में सेंटेंस है. Predicate. Tell something about the subject. सब्जेक्ट के बारे में कुछ बताता है. सब्जेक्ट कोई एक्शन कर रहा है या सब्जेक्ट के अंदर कोई क्वालिटीज़ बता रहे हैं. एनीथिंग. जैसे कि वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इट यस्टरडे दीज टू एग्जाम्पल्स. The boy with the blue shirt waved to me. Boy is your subject, and what the boy is doing, that is your predicate. with the blue shirt wave to me is your predicate. In the second sentence, Aunt Mary has a cat. Aunt Mary is your subject and Aunt Mary has a cat. Has a cat is your predicate. Understood? So today we will do the next exercise, that is question number D. Question number D, exercise D. Here you have to match the following subjects with their predicates on the right. या ये सब्जेक्ट है आपके और ये आपके प्रेडिकेट्स हैं. This is the subject and this is the predicate. So you have to match this. Rana and Ankit. Rana and Ankit क्या हो जाएगा? Will be the chief guest of the function. I'm not interested in pop music. Are my classmates. Rana and Ankit are my classmates. ठीक है. Our neighbor helped me in the hour of need. Our neighbor helped me in the hour of need. Who next is a rich man. A rich man has bought a new car. Who will be the chief guest of the function? I am not interested in pop music. Understood? Subject, this is your subject, this is your predicate, this you have to match. Rana and Ankit are my classmates. Our neighbor helped me in the hour of need. A rich man has bought a new car. Who will be the chief guest of the function? I am not interested in pop music. हमने यहाँ पर नंबरिंग्स की हैं, मगर आपको इसके सामने लिखना है. राना एंड अंकित आर माई क्लासमेट, इसके सामने लिखेंगे जो भी आंसर है. सब्जेक्ट के सामने प्रेडिकेट लिखेंगे, नंबरिंग नहीं करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? सब्जेक्ट के सामने लिखेंगे प्रेडिकेट्स, नंबरिंग नहीं करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? होमवर्क, learn exercise A and B. Learn these two exercises and complete exercise D in your copies. Understood? Thank you.